Is it raining today, Olivia? Is it raining today? Outside? Yeah, outside it's raining. Did you just have your carrots and bananas? Are you done with your carrots and bananas? Yeah? Where's the bumblebee? You see the bumblebee outside? Did he get knocked down in the rain? You have a big carrot on your forehead. You have a dot in between your eyes. Is that a carrot? Or are you an Indian? Say hi. Yeah, hi. You're getting sleepy, aren't you? You're getting sleepy, little girl. Olivia! Let me see that carrot on your forehead. That's funny. Where's the chimes? Where are the chimes? Yeah, chimes. Ooh, chimes. Where's your nose? Good girl. Where's your hair? Where's Olivia's hair? Yeah, are you feeling the hair on the side of your head? Olivia's hair? Yeah. Is that your nose? Whee! Are you swinging? Olivia, are you swinging? Yoo-hoo, swinging. Swinging. You want to swing some more? Are those your bananas you dropped? You see any birdies outside? I think they're all sleeping because it's too rainy out. Mama! Yay! Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.